In this video, we're going to go over how to start your hosting account for your WordPress website. So in this video, I'm going to show you the hosting company that I use. I am also an affiliate of Siteground. I like Siteground. They don't get attacked as much by malware as a lot of other hosting companies do. And there's many different programs you can choose from, and they always have like an introductory offer, but then your rate will change to a regular rate on your annual renewal. And you're always on all social, on all, not just SiteGround, but all hosting company sites, they will always push you towards the annual and give you a deep discount on an annual price. So right here, we're on the Siteground homepage, and you can, you're going to choose, you're going to just click here to start now. First, you're going to accept cookies. So then you're going to do that, and then you're going to go here to the regular fee is $14.99 a month, and they're going to give you an introductory offer of $1.99 a month. The link is in my description. So my Siteground affiliate link is in the description. You get great deals, and you don't pay me anything to do it. There's nothing coming out of your pocket by thanking me by using my link. So I appreciate that. At this point in the trainings that I've been doing for you is our first one is why you need to know why you're having a website. So all of these links are in my description. So it's about how does Google going to even know that your site is worthy to show up on page 1 of Google. The next one I did was choosing your domain name. So we have that one that you need to watch. And again, these links are all in the description. And hopefully I'm going back to add them in the end screens on these videos. You know, sometimes you forget to do that stuff before you publish. And then I have the next one, which is on first it's choosing your domain, and then choosing an SEO plugin that works, and I have a training on that as well. Now the next step is to get your hosting done, which is this video, and then the next video will be to install your WordPress on your hosting account. So let's get going. Let's just pretend I already have an account and I have it open, so that way I don't have to log in, but I just want you to see the process. So you're going to go to Start Now, and then you're going to choose one of these plans, okay? So at this time of this publishing of this post, this video, you'll see that you can have this one website and 10,000 visits a month, and that's going to take you a while to get to 10,000 visitors a month. So in a lot of places, a lot of ways, this one is just fine. This is, I think I went with the Go Geek plan, but that's because I have a lot of websites and stuff. But this one here is probably the one you want to choose, the Grow Big one. This way you don't have to, I don't know, just you can, if you have more than one website. If you only have one website, then this startup plan is just fine for you. All right. So let's just say we're going to go with this one. So we're going to click on Get Plan. And now it's going to tell you the period. It's going to tell you that it's going to be $3.99 a month, which is going to be 12 months plan. And then the total price here is going to be $47.88, and you click on Pay Now. Okay, so that's what you do there. So after you have done that, then you're going to create a login, and you're going to log in. I already logged into my account. Your name will be up here, so you'll know you're logged in. And then you're going to have, let's go to home. We'll start this again. We'll go to home. Oh, maybe they logged me out. Oh no, they're right here. Okay. So I'm going to go to click on websites. Nope, that's not it. Sorry, I was right. I should have not done that. So I had reached it, I think, the correct way. Let's go back. All right, so we have Get Hosting, and then we're going to do, now how did I, oh, they also have a lot of, they'll have trainings and stuff like that too. I wonder if I'm not logged in. I should be logged in. Okay, nope, I don't need that either. So that's going to be where your hosting plan is. I don't know what's going on here. It should be right here. I might not be able to add another one because I'm at my limit. I'm using, oh, here we go. My face was covering it up. We're going to click here to new website. Okay, there you go. So you're going to click on websites, then new website, and you already have your domain because I taught you how to get that. That should be over on your Namecheap account. So you're going to click on this existing domain, and then we're going to add the domain. And mine, hold on, I got to go grab it. That I'm going to add to this is Utah. Remember, we're going to be doing a realist skincare and a skincare, anti-aging skincare case study, which is going to be on Shopify. And then we're doing a real estate site, which is going to be on WordPress, realestateforsale.com. Continue. I just deleted it from my account, so hopefully it works. Okay, so it says you can either migrate your own site or start a new one. We're going to click on start a new one because I'm assuming that you don't have one. So here we go. We're going to set up the site and we're going to click on WordPress. Oh, so we don't need to do another video. We'll do a video with all of that in there. Now we're going to do a setup of our access credentials, which we don't want anyone to see in the videos. So I am going to come over here and open this up for just a second. And I am going to, oh, where's my, I'm going to pause this. There's a place to pause it. And maybe I can't pause it. I wonder why I'm not able to pause my video. So you're going to put in here, you're going to come up with an email address that you need, and then you're going to want a really good password. And one of the things that I teach is when you have these passwords, you need to use phrases. And I read on the FBI website that you want long phrases that you can remember because the hackers and the spammers, their machines have a difficult time with phrasing. They are really good at these, when you do these automatic generators, those hackers and spammer machines are really good at processing those and figuring them out. So I highly recommend that you use a long phrase that you are going to understand. And so then what you're going to do here is you're just going to put that in and then you're going to do continue. Okay. And then what I will do is in the next video, we will come from this point of continue. Okay. So I will see you in the next video. Okay, so I think I'm still recording. Anyway, so here we are at this point here, and I just paused the video instead of coming to create a new video. And now at this point, I have this, now they're giving you a special offer, and I'm not doing it, so we're just going to not add that, and we're going to come over here, can't see my whole screen, and finish. So now we're going to finish and save the password, and it's creating the website now. It's super simple. It takes about 2 minutes to do this creation. And once it's created, we'll go to the next step. But these are very simple steps. And again, if you don't want to do these yourself, you can hire us and we can do the installs for you, as well as getting rid of plugins you don't need on WordPress and adding the ones you do need. We can do all your site structure. We can actually do web development. And if you want to hire me to be your website designer, you can do that as well. More than happy to. Or if you'd like to just hire me to do a strategy session for you, I am more than happy to do that. And then after the strategy, you would go to our VAs and give them your plan of action that you and I came up with. And then, of course, their rate is much less than mine, so you can take advantage of doing it that way if you'd like to be a little bit more hands-on and do-it-yourselfer kind of website builder. But if you're too busy, if you're a business owner, things like that, you're a realtor that needs to be out there showing houses and selling houses, then it's probably best if you just have us design your website and the team to do all the background and all of those other things. I don't know why it's taking so long to do this. So it looks like this time I am going to have to finish the video and do a new video. So thanks for watching and thanks for your patience. All right, so here we are. You are all set, it says. So it's been created. So now what you want to do is you want to come in here and we will log into the admin. I'm just going to show you what that looks like for right now. And it says, welcome to your WordPress site. And then you're going to click on Start Now. So now you're in the background of your WordPress website. So this is where we're going to end this video, because in the next video, this is telling you to pick a theme and you don't want to pick these themes. So in my next video, I'm going to show you the one that I really like to use, which is Thrive Themes. And again, all of my links are below in my description tag. If you're an e-commerce site, then I highly recommend Shopify. We will take care of this now and we will go on to the next video. So I look forward to seeing you there on the next step.